Hello and welcome, children. Today we are here to discuss our second prose of our book Beehive, that is Sound of Music. Sound of Music will be dealing with two success stories of two musical maestros. The first story is about Evelyn Glenn, and today we are going to discuss in this video, we will be discussing the story of Evelyn Glenn. We must know that who she is and why. In the story, we'll come to know that how she is so famous that we are going to read about her. What are the good things we should learn from her? So let's start. This is her picture, children. You can see, and let me tell you that the very important thing is that she is very successful and she is deaf, so that's why she is so popular, that even after losing her uh, hearing, she never gave up in her life and she became so successful percussionist. Percussionist, I think that you know what is the meaning of percussionist. Percussionist is one who can play the drums or tabla. You must have heard about it. So those who can play drums and tabla, they are called percussionist. Let's have some more pictures of Evelyn Glennie. These are some pictures I have bought for you, that these are the different various musical instruments which she can play. Okay, and though she is deaf, but she never gave up in her life. Evelyn Glenn, children, she is from Scotland. Okay, and she came in London and she was born in 1965, and she has pursued her career from a very small age, when the school authority told that she can't study in the school because of her hearing problem, because of her deafness. So she performed internationally with a wide variety of orchestras and contemporary musicians. She won many prestigious awards for her work, including the Polar Music Prize of 2015. So these are the various prizes which she has won, and she is so popular because of this. This is some more details I have brought for you. This will tell you that what is the story all about. She is a girl who is from Scotland, as I told you, and she lost her hearing power at a very young age, and she her this deafness was first identified by her mother when she was only 8 years, and when she was 11 years, her teachers, her principal of her school called her parents and they told her to take away from that school and to get her admitted to some deaf students school. That was that. I would like to start the story with a very famous quote from Helen Keller. Helen Keller, children, she says that I am only one, but still I am one. I cannot do everything, but still I can do something. I will not refuse to do something I can do. Means what kind of optimism is here? Just check that she says that whatever I can do, I will do, and I will never give up. This means that she says that she will never give up. The next quote also is from Helen Keller. You can check this out. The best and the most beautiful thing in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. Okay. So why Helen Keller I chose, children? These quotes I am choosing from Helen Keller, children, because Helen Keller, she was also deaf and dumb. Okay, no, sorry, she was deaf and blind. And in the picture you can see, this is the picture of Helen Keller and her teacher Annie Sullivan. Okay, so the teacher, though she was deaf and she was blind, but her teacher helped her out to do various things. She encouraged her to do various things in life, and she became a very famous author. Okay, she is from America. So she is a very famous author, though she was deaf and blind. And she was why she became famous? Because her teacher helped her, Annie Sylvian. And also, children, I would like to tell you something more about her life, that her autobiography, The Story of My Life, is one of the best sellers in the world. And on her autobiography, there is one film also adapted. The film is called The Miracle Worker. So this is also very famous film about the people who are differently abled, but they have done miracles in the world. So here one more picture is there, children, in Hindi, that is called Black. So Black is also the adaptation of the story of Helen Keller. Okay, in this picture, these are the stars, Rani Mukherjee and Amitabh Bachchan. So Rani Mukherjee, she plays the character of Helen Keller, and Amitabh Bachchan, he plays the character of Annie Sylvian. So if you get the chance to watch this movie, you can watch. It's the same story of Helen Keller and Annie Sylvian, where Rani Mukherjee plays the character who is deaf and dumb, and the teacher, he teaches her how to see the world without eyes and how to hear them without ear. Uh, that is the story all about. And I think that we should know that these things, really, when you have a teacher like Annie Selvian, or you are having teacher like Evelyn Glenn got, of course. Evelyn Glennie also got a very marvelous teacher, and because of him, she never gave up in playing the drums, and today she is a world famous percussionist. Children, we have to remember this word, that Evelyn Glenn is the multi percussionist, and she has attained mastery over almost 1,000 musical instruments despite being hearing impaired. Okay, despite being her hearing problem, she got all these popularity, and she worked hard. So that's why she became, today she is one of the musical maestros in the world, and she learned to feel music through the body instead of hearing through the ear. And how she learned to feel the music? She can't hear, no, but she has learned. How she has learned? By feeling through her body, okay, through the vibrations. And that also her teacher has only helped her to make understand these musics, and to feel the music and to play her percussion according to that. It is all done by her teacher only, Ron Forbes. So this is for this beginning of the story, children. Thank you.